Welcome to Shopware tutorial. In this video, we learn how to add properties. Log into the backend. Go to Catalogs and Properties. Now click on Add Property. Now fill out the form. Now click on Add option. Add the search bar details. Repeat the process. Click Save. Properties have been saved successfully. Thanks for watching. For more updates and Shopware video tutorials, please subscribe to our channel and also do not forget to press the bell icon, so that you never miss our upcoming videos.